Every day, Okay, seems like we have an error. Okay, let us see. Every figure. Okay, now you are able to see me. Hopefully. Okay, this this live is for video game design. I am designing a video game called Sidereus. If you haven't watched the first part, please feel free to do so. It's not necessary. We spend the time just talking. Okay, let's get started. I don't have any license to play music for you. I wish I had some Final Fantasy license. Castlevania or Shadow of the Colossus. Great music compositions. We will be quiet. Perhaps I can play something for you, my own uh, music, but let's not, because some of the music is meant to be sell in, or to be like exclusive content for Patreon. If you buy me a coffee, maybe I don't know about these rewards. I remember having free music for Patreons, Patreon support. It's not necessary. Please don't feel like you have to do this. I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to explain to you what Sidereus is. We have like space, sidereal space, sidereal space. It will be this. I need to revisit some CSS topics. The week is coming to an end, and I haven't studied the CSS topics that I planned to do for this week. I need to organize myself a little bit better. Yeah, should be like this, you know. So here we are. See there is some spaceship throwing, fighting with other spaceships. You having fun, and feeling that you achieved something in your time. Okay, so yeah, let's see. We have we are on we have a GitHub repository for this. Can't believe it. What's this? Yes, man. Every what happened if I sing to I should be testing branches and then merging the results, but I am not in a team. I am on my own. Freddie Mercury said, I am living on my own. Well, I have the support of my family, thank God. But other than that, professionally, I am by myself, and you know, uh, I can do implement any workflow, but it is like overkill, you know. We are just tinkering. We are going to be tinkering. If something is good, it stays, and if something is wrong, we delete it. Basically, probably should be training neural networks because this is today's thing, and this modern era training neural networks. Well, I don't have the first the knowledge and second the data. It's very important, massive amount of data. Who am I? Microsoft, Google. Uh, Look at this. We have this person again. One concurrent viewer. Yeah, say hi in the chat. You know, if you want to say hi, if you don't, then don't. And then this person lives. I was wondering about if this person was going to show up. It always does. Okay, then neural networks, enhance the knowledge. I know two or two things. There is like a zillion of information right now. Neural network, especially the deep learning that AI. Let me show you because it's easy to talk than doing. You know, it's easy to blah 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 blah. Do nothing. Very easy. So here it is. Introduction to on-device AI. This is like this man is like one of the best guys. He and Daphne Cooler co-found Coursera. They founded Coursera, Coursera en español, en Spanish. And look at this generative AI. This guy has been working. I've been like this. I remember this from 2011. Perhaps this is an updated version. Chat GPT product engineering for developers. This is like amazing. Prompt engineering for developers. I mean, you can do a career with teaching this stuff. And I am here without making any money. I should be right now jumping to the train of AI and tell people, should AI become God? Is AI God? And people is constantly looking for answers and information and answers to their questions as well. Perhaps I am not like that. And this guy is very honest. In one of the training courses, he says that you don't need to come up with your linear algebra library. Please just use whatever is available. Some doctorate students are coming up with linear algebra libraries. He's right. I probably will take a look to this because people are talking everywhere about this. So let me click on this. I haven't come here since forever. I remember this. Probably this is an updated version using another programming languages. Some other programming languages in the past they use update. Perhaps I will take a look to the update version. Hi, I am a prompt. Hello, I am a Megatron. Look at some dinosaurs. How can I make money with this? This is my today's question. How can I make money with this? Probably I will write to this guy. If this guy has his email over here, I will write it. Let's see and ask, hey, Mr. Andrew N. I am unemployed. I think I can collaborate with something in AI. How can I make money? Should I start talking? Hey, AI becoming God. AI will be a religion based. AI religion based. AI based religion. That would be a great concept. And people will be asking, but people is not stupid. Let me tell you about that. People will know if something is like trying to scam them. So sometimes some people scam people, you know. Contact us. This is a question about our online courses. I'm going to find it in entrepreneurship, career advice, probably this. Yeah, this is like writing, asking for advice live. I never thought I would come to this point. My career will arrive at this point. You know, first name, last name, email. I don't know if this is cool. I don't know. These people are very busy changing the world. So I don't know. Generative AI for everyone. What's this? Learn how generative AI works. I just recently completed one of these courses from Google at Udacity. Can you hear me? Yeah, maybe later. So yeah, let's see. I like this guy.
Hi, I'm excited to share with you our new course, Generative AI for Everyone. You've likely heard of ChatGPT and perhaps other generative AI tools like Google Bard, Microsoft Bing Chat, and perhaps Midjourney. Generative AI, that is, technology that can generate high quality text, images, or other types of media, is taking the world by storm. How can you use generative AI yourself? And how is this technology going to affect jobs and businesses? After going through this course, you understand how generative AI works, what it can and cannot do, and be able to use it effectively yourself, whether for work or for fun. Through this course, I hope you'll be in the driver's seat as you navigate the transformation that this technology brings to jobs and businesses. This course is designed to be accessible to a non-technical audience and doesn't require any coding skills or prior knowledge of AI, because chat and text generation models are having a bigger impact than image generation. We'll spend much more time on text generation technology that will touch briefly on image generation as well. Whether you're just curious about generative AI or a professional wondering how to use it and how it might affect your work, or maybe in business or government wanting to figure out what new opportunities as well as risks generative AI creates, I'm confident you find this course useful. So I hope you sign up to get started and that you enjoy the course.
Well, I have some coding experience, so I'm not sure if this is for me. Most likely, I will learn something from this guy because he's like the great guys in this area. But no, not today. I want to code. As we my program said, Peter Norvig. How as I may program. ChatGPT. Oh my god. Learn prompt engineering for application development. Yeah. Oh my god. Why will I want to do that? This is to search for answers. Probably to avoid going to some classic search engine. But I know that perhaps they want to get rid of experts. Look at this, deploy AI models on the cloud to smartphones and on edge. And we learn about it. Oh my god. One thing, let's suppose I don't know what's right. And this is coming over and over again. Retrieval augmented generation. NVIDIA is like a technique for enhancing the accuracy and reliability of generative AI models with facts fetched from external sources. It's all about the people. You know, how easily can you be fooled? How much judgment you put into the things, and you are getting bombarded every day. How much critical thinking you have with the content you are seeing. Minstrel, I remember discovering on Hacker News. Getting started with Minstrel. What's the point of this? I mean, you just install the thing and ask uh, the answers that you are looking for. But I will take a look at this, nevertheless. But I don't think I'm going to get anything from it. What's this? Is like having a search bar like this and asking for answer. I just did that yesterday with a sequel to text in a live show that I have. Hugging Face probably this because I have an account on Hugging Face that I haven't been able to really leverage some computational facilities they are giving for free. Probably I will take a look at Hugging Face and Minstrel, but I want to develop myself, like a human. This guy is really invest in educating people in these technologies. Probably this JavaScript. I like JavaScript. I will take a look at this too. Probably I will be doing live shows on me taking this training. Yeah, that would be a great idea. Now I am coming with yet another idea. I will be doing live shows. How I get into jump into the train of AI so I can be modern and be part of the new era. Knowledge you have for I better study some graph theory. But yeah, I will. Hugging Face, yeah. All right. Serverless vector databases, and this is automated testing. A lot of information. How much time will take you to learn all of this and produce something like that? Function tools analyzing with line chain. Pair programming with large language model. All right, understanding. And this is just Lentex and building how business thinkers can start building AI plugins with semantic kernel. Perhaps this into large language model, relating and reading. Oh, this is a lot of information. How diffusion model works. Blank chain diffusion models, build your own diffusion model and learn to the this is a good one problem. As long as you build it and you're not a simple customer, you are in the good way, a good track. I got this again. Now they have some specializations, growing the knowledge and skills for an AI career. I was into this in 2017, 2000, when deep learning was 2016 when this. I remember asking about machine learning on Hewlett Packard when I was there. Okay, to some guy coming from the United States. I am out of my mind. Look at this. Machine learning specialization. We'll take a look. Sorry for the this nonsense, right? This is like spending time with video game and I just wasted 20 minutes of your time. But if you're here, it's because you have nothing else to do. So really thank you for giving away your time in this content. I really appreciate it. Mathematics, AI for good, AI for everyone. Yeah, for everyone. Machine learning. Oh, this is the big introductory. Okay. Where are the advanced? Okay, machine learning production, deep learning efficiency, AI for medicine efficiency, natural language processing. Probably these are like natural language processing. TensorFlow, TensorFlow, TensorFlow. I will. I don't have an AWS account. Some recruiters are coming up with this requirement over and over. I don't have any way to pay for the AWS account, so I don't have a way to practice this. But I know my way in this, I know two or two things. So it's not hard. Learn the fundamentals of developing with what you get. I will take a look to the one of Hugen Face and Minstrel. That's for sure. Yeah. Once I make it. This, I was thinking, oh, you need to pay money. Yeah, right? Let us see if I have to pay. Enroll for free. Oh, no. You don't have to pay. But there is some financial aid. I am broke, financially broke. So I qualify. Okay, there was. This is amazing. This little robot. This is amazing. I am designing a little robot. If you saw on Blender, I am having trouble with this part, with the shoulder. The rotation is not coming to the full angle, so I need to redesign this part. I will reduce this upper arm, come enlarge this joint. This is a good approach on the hand. Here's the content. I will take a look. I will start a series of videos, live videos, of me training, regaining some knowledge, AI knowledge, uh, jumping into the AI train. That would be a good uh, using deep learning AI. Okay, the name of the series will be using deep learning AI to jump into the train of AI, so I can make money with AI. You know, master the mathematics. I was thinking this guy was from Udacity. Let us look for him. I think I saw this guy in Udacity. I don't remember. Yeah, I have a great memory, good memory. I'm amazed of my memory because yeah, I remember that this guy teaching something, but it's not here, you know. Um, let's look at this. I remember I probably was in one of these classes. The machine learning. Because in the past, many years ago, I was into the in this deep learning stuff, but I immediately see that I will need lots of data to train algorithms, and me as an individual, I don't have a way to collect an immense amount of data. What's the point of having some gradient descent algorithm? Where's the data? Okay, then I stopped, which it was a bad idea because probably I will get some job and they will have the data, I suppose. I don't know. System of equation, okay. 3 by 3, this is linear algebra. The best linear algebra is from Strang, someone in edX, LAF, linear algebra, foundations and frontiers. If you want symbol manipulation, if you want the theorem proving, here we need to go somewhere else. Vector and linear transform. This is just linear algebra. Determining vectors. Yeah. As Mr. Andrew M said, just use whatever is written. If you are very curious, engage in this content. Okay. All right. It's amazing. AI for everyone. So I'm sticking with this new. What is this? There was Mistral. Okay, and what was the other human face? This human face. I will take a look at this because I have an account on Hugging Face that I haven't used. I opened because of they were like posting some Phoenix live books. Okay, we'll take a look. We'll take a look at this. I don't know how we arrived at this. Yes, I was bitching about something. Okay, enroll for free. Only okay. What's this? Okay, okay, enroll for free. Sorry, guys. I know you wanted to see some game development, but we ended with this stuff. So sorry. We'll get into the game development. Don't worry. Uh, yeah, yeah, I am broke. I copied the this thing. What? What this? Probably my role. The scientist, machine learning, software engineer. What other options? Unemployed. Is there an employed over here? Which which password should we use? Okay, okay. Right. Oh my God, where is this Mistral stuff? Okay, so basically it's only about this thing. The good thing is that now I am in the website. I was admitted because it is beta. Thank you, Andrew Egg. And thank you, Daphne Cooler, for creating Coursera back in the day. Yeah, I will make a live session of me training myself in this new stuff, because I know I will do the things that I learned from 8 years ago. But now people are talking about this. I've seen this word like 4 times this week, and I didn't know what's what the meaning of that and I started to think, oh, getting behind, falling behind. So now I'm solving the problem, and now I am back. Yeah, this will take me 1 hour, I suppose, and I will now a modern and not obsolete and whatever other things people are thinking. All right, so yeah, I will be doing this later, a live session, because I want to expose my life as a struggling person. I don't believe in geniuses. I suppose there there was a guy named Albert Einstein. I haven't read anything from him, but there are some quotes here and there everywhere, and some people say that Einstein said something like, "To be a genius, hide your sources." If it wasn't him, sorry, probably was another person. I don't want to do that. I want to expose myself, be live, so people see that it's all about sitting on a chair, putting the amount of hours required to complete a task. Some tasks are challenging, so you need to decompose those tasks into simpler steps. Some tasks will take you days. But yeah, there's no such a thing as being a genius. I remember I was with these Christians in the past. This Advent, 7 day Advent. Let's look. Let's look. Let's make a look. A search. 7 day Adventists, and they have these lots of literature. And I remember they were explaining in one of those magazines. They had a lot of literature. Let me tell you. They have this violinist, Biarritz, in which they say they were asking him about being a genius, and he said that there's no such a. How can I be a genius if I practice 14 years a day, 14 hours a day? And these live sessions on my channel are new, but the fact is that I've been doing this like forever. I've been learning like since forever. I was privileged to have lots of information available to me, and I was just exploring the world, books. Lately, I became unemployed, and now I have this pressure of trying to find a job so I can collaborate with the economy of my family. But I still believe I haven't changed. I still believe that I am just, like you Sir Isaac Newton said, just exploring the world. But I am not Sir Isaac Newton. I can't concentrate on any single thing. I have that problem. I don't know. I don't know how to solve it. I can't decide for one thing. I love too many things. But this is not to play the victim. We'll take a look at this maybe in the ninth, because this is important. This is what the people do this day, especially young people. I am young. I don't believe in me. Everyone is young, okay? Even if you're like middle age, you're still young in your heart. But this is what people at their 20th are engaging. So my father used to ask young people. Hey, what's going on in these days? What's getting information from young people, what they are up to, what they believe these days. And I have the opposite problem in which I have isolated myself of communities. But I think I think I still can. I mean, if this is the new way, well, I should engage in, writing prompts for a system to do the job for me. I don't have a problem with that as long as I deliver the product of getting paid by an employer, I suppose. But I believe in human development for sure. Okay, 3 p.m. I don't have registered. I don't have a license for this. So if this game becomes a success, I will be in trouble. Though. Heck, I mean, there are zillions of video games out there. Why would you play my game? Right? So that's why I'm using this license. Yes, I can install Visual Studio Code. Yes, I can install IntelliJ. But this game is not meant to be of, I don't know, I don't want to install those yet. I have installed those tools in the past. Now what? Yeah, I need to open several files. Start with powers. Melancholy, for sure. Let's open Sidereus. Let's open level. There is a way to open the entire folder over here. Right? I don't want. Let's close our emails. People won't be writing emails. Um, we need to draw melancholy on the screen. That's our first task. Melancholy is a spaceship. So Sidereus play level start. 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 Draw hero 1. Melancholy is our first hero. Drawers, if hero is melancholy, we need to find a way to draw melancholy. Probably we should use type of Let's use CDRL. Probably we will change this goal. I'm thinking of, well, let's draw these circles, and if it works, we will, you know, put that code into another function. Probably this is what they are talking about, in which I don't come here to search the web in the traditional way, and instead go to some prompt engineering tool like Minstall, I don't know, ChatGPT, and ask prompt the system and ask and write uh, draw melancholy for me, and the system will answer. You know, let me. I don't know what melancholy is. Melancholy will answer with some nonsense, and I will answer. Melancholy is a character in my video game. Please draw it for me, and the system will say uh, probably some other nonsense, and I will be prompting until I arrive to the point in which I ask something in the vein of HTML5 canvas, you know, developer, and the thing will some bring some code. I will copy and paste the code and refine the prompt. But an intelligent system will know that will do everything for you. You know, you know, like I don't know how many years from now, many years from now, you will be saying, at that point, I don't know if humans will have, if we will have self-directed humans. But if there is still some self-directing humans in the future, I would say, I want to play a video game, write something for me. I want for the hero to call to be named Melancholy. And this is the title and this is the plot, basic plot. Put the entire thing together and give me a binary so I can execute the game. Something like that. Again, I'm not sure. I'm not sure it will be independent people in the future, self-directing people in the future. Okay, they are drawing a rectangle. Deep type. Well, in here they're using WebGL. I'm not using WebGL. Let's take a look at this. Let's go with this too. Before you start, even if you understand. Yeah, right. In this way, you don't need anything. Okay, here are some circles. Why they didn't put some this this is the horse Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great horse, Bucephalus. Yeah, and should be that. Just, yeah, I was thinking coming up something like this. This thing is not okay. It's refreshing the screen. should a, a video game element be able to draw itself? There are too many video games. I actually just the game of 15 and CS 50 and tic tac toe, and now you see the rest. I will write a set of advices for young software engineers so they don't do the exploration that I needed to do, and they avoid wasting exploration time and have a path to follow if they want to. They need some guidance. This is the best version. We will extract this function like that. I will use is there a way to change a few style? Few style perhaps in here. Uh, I'm doing this development in the traditional way, but this is coming to an end. Just I wanted for you to see this because this is I've been developing software my entire career, but when I was writing context that field style, I was thinking perhaps with these tools like some language server protocols or so many other new technology, it will be like providing me more suggestions, more auto completion features, being more like productive, if you will. But this is the last time in which you are seeing me doing this. I will try to set up some line chain, anything new these days, so I can speed up the development. If I find ways to do that, I will present them as tutorials on YouTube, short tutorials, because there is no need. If there are like great tools, especially if they are open source, because I don't have any money to buy again. Sorry, we need to take advantage of those tools. But since we have already started, I wanted. This is the last session probably in which I develop in this way. Coming up the next live session, as long as if it is a product software product development, I will be using these new tools. If the live session is about computer science or any programming exercise, it would be with those assistants because it's all about the programmer, the software developer growing up as a programmer, software engineer. But if you are trying to deliver a product, you certainly need to speed uh, time to market, they say. Um, and I'm dreaming of anybody playing this video game, but I want to liberate myself of writing this project so I can devote my time to any other video game or any other book. Yeah, so but now we are here. I'm starting to think about the new ways in which the software is being mid 2024. Lots of people in other countries or big cities are like doing it. Why I why would I be taking advantage of those tools too? You know, I'm not a renegade, but this probably that will change on this weekend because this weekend is the one that I will devote to get into this stuff. Like getting in the new way. People are. Oh, shit. Let's see what happens. Probably I should shut up. Filter green. Let's do yellow. And instead of field circle, what is field circle? Field instead of field. Let's use field. Field. And then we will use as a stroke. Back to our index, we have melancholy, Drawer, Sidereus, and Sidereus is Sidereus taps this play. So we need a play button over here. This is a prototype, but get to um, correct value, play, or start, play, play. We need to have a way to add an event for this. I'm duplicating this. Right? Here we use main. Let us take a look at our website. Okay. We need Okay, the value is outside. We need a type and we need ID. What's the if effect of having this? Why is it looking so small? Oh yeah, maybe yeah. Value is the one. If you submit a form, that will be the value. Don't mind me. I need to ID, of course. Play, play, and type button. Okay, type button. Here we have uh, here we decided to come up with this. Yeah, this is good. My document works. You can just download it for free. And even I wrote this on December 6 months ago. I know the reasoning behind. So for us, this would be our main, you know. And yeah, so what are you waiting for? Download the article and develop your tic-tac-toe game. Mm. Okay, this is silly. This is where a Java problem. I will write. I will write. I didn't uh, test this thing. It looks beautiful in here, but this is latex. It took me like a while to figure it out, like 2 days. One day, maybe okay. If you are trying, if you are copy pasting from here, there should be another way to do it. Also, this, what, get element by ID play. I need to hurry because, as you can see, I'm doing like 90s. No, beginning of 2000. Whenever I Now that I saw those training, I'm thinking, I mean, the world is going faster and faster and faster. And I'm just thinking, I need to deliver faster my products because perhaps there will be someone interested in playing these video games. I need to believe in that so I can continue, producing content or products. I haven't been, I never have been, I suppose you are somehow wired to have a job after some point. You start to believe perhaps no one will give me any job, so I need to, like, all, lots of people in the world, build something and try to sell it. Yeah, it's a paradigm shift for me. Paradigm shift. I am taking this approach. Some people will get, some people will dismay, uh, faint. That's not an option for me. I need to I need to go on with the show as long as I'm, I am as I am alive. Play button. Then, okay, a click. We will add a click. List. What here we are facing our first problem, not troubling issue, because I want this to be a mobile game. I need to set up the touch, you know, those events. This play. There's no way. There is one good thing in which in this new setup, eh, because now I have the laptop nearby. I don't have it behind the monitor. It would be very cumbersome to be doing like that. Or over there on the bed will be far from very risky. Will fall down. Now it's here. This is you can still you have a blockage here, but now I am able to press test the touch screen. There, well, we're gonna go there. We need to actually play. No, this is not the JavaScript is not typed. No, it's not a type language. So let's once considers equals new considers considers play. We will need a const level, new level. So we will need to randomize this level. I mean, we will hit production with one level. I'm not designing a complete video game. It will be like if I played Crusaders of Might and Magic in 1998 thanks to my father, and it was a demo that was in a compact disc, and at the end, after one scenario, there was a screen saying coming soon. I mean, Crusaders of Might and Magic. It was announced, with that demo, and it was. I still want to see. I would like to see the code of Crusaders and Might and Magic or Heroes 3, Heroes 3 or Might and Magic level. So main will be at the end. Why? Because you need to see all of this. We need a drawer. We need a drawer to construct a level. I only ate three tortillas, three tortillas, and uh, I am hungry again. I think I will take 5 minutes and eat some, I don't know, some banana. I don't have a constructor in the drawer class. Let's see if JavaScript inserts, give us a default constructor that as Java. I'm not sure if you are able to see the screen. So it's we're missing something in here. In here. Yes, we're missing a point. Now we just need to fix one. Const perhaps we are not allowed to have these declarations in here, and we need to provide a constructor. All of this will change. We are just prototyping. We still have line 3. We will use Sideral because side real. This well, perhaps someone will say this is side real, and I don't want that. Side see. Now, why it doesn't like this? I see that. Let's copy paste this. Manage this. This should work unless the this works. This is the one. These are different because they are coming from. This will work. This should work. Unless we need to come up from here, like this. Okay, okay. If I don't want to register event, click. And only after we click, we call play. Just this. We start the game. Okay, we need to. Okay, I would like to, print something. Print something. I'm not sure if this thing got refreshed. Yes, there's nothing happened. Nothing is happening. Use alert. Okay, this function is not being called. Register event because we haven't somehow we haven't some kind of initialized. We haven't used this main, I suppose. We haven't constructed any main object, but where can be where should we instantiate this main? This is already main. For the sake of moving on, with this, it's main. This is not good. Like, we will put this in another thing. Now we have print something, and we have now we have now the thing is working. This we will move this to another place. Okay, now we don't need this. There are some debug tools over here. You let's put some debugger if I recall correctly. And here it is, right? And you know your way in this tool and step over. But now where's the console? with Google. This project is very ambitious now that I think about it. So it's unbelievable how some simple games require a lot of infrastructure. That's why game engines exist, so you don't write all of this and focus on the logic, business logic, the video game idea. It says something about lower line here. Get context. Okay, do you see the error? People, let's suppose there is an audience over here. When I am doing the live session, Scala live session, I tend to ask questions to the emptiness. Okay, you see, you're what? You should use it like this. Such for example, here we still have the error. We have we have zero constituting the let's print it. Zero. Okay, we have an HTML kind of object. What's happening with this live streaming? There's no one. I mean, there's like this thing. It continues to. I don't see anything about anything here. Just this same screen over and over. I mean, we will take a look at this tonight, but at this point, I would like to see what you guys have seen. So it's like there is a cycle, infinite cycle over here. Where's the canvas? Okay. There is no light in the void. Oh, 2D. That's why he's complaining about the number of arguments. There's one argument is required. Why didn't I why aren't we using a 2D context? It's quite obvious. For example, if you are like doing WebGL and you are doing 3D, well, why we didn't have it in this way? We are also we will stick with double quotes even when JavaScript allows you to. Level is not defined. Main Okay, it says something like level is not defined equals level because we have an uppercase. And now we switch level, and here's level. Now level is not defined. This level, and it should be defined because it is here level. We have this constructor. I don't. Uh, we need to revisit this because we need to have this private. But the stars should be public. Wow. Drawer is not defined. Right here. Melancholy is not defined. Context is not defined. And here we can use some sort of, like to change these 4 lines of code with one single. I don't know if you remember how to refactor. X is not defined. Get chord X, chord Y. radius. Radius? Yeah, radius. Radius one. Hopefully you are understanding this. Okay, finally. Now how can we get rid of this? You know, I don't want to do this. Okay, what do we want to do to see this screen? I would like to see what's going on here. Red, green, there is yellow. So we are good. This is red, green, blue. Red plus green is yellow. Yeah, this is good. We have an object in here. Mm, So what's going on? If we have, uh, let's print a hero. We can see this on the console. Take a look. Hopefully. Oh no, we don't. We don't. No, we don't. Probably this should arrive in the constructor so we can inspect. Yeah, here is one. I mean, why are we doing this? Hero is one because in the constant, which we have closed. Melancholy, no? And we are trying to retrieve some properties from this number. So we are being silly over here. We need a way to pass or create. Yeah, create. No, this is another problem. We need to. If we create our hero, our melancholy spaceship in this method, on this method, we will create a coupled system. If there is another hero, we need a way to have a reference to one melancholy only. Mm, I will say that is fast, too fast. In order to know where these things are coming from, we will creating constants will become a class, and this will be static values. There are no enums on JavaScript, so we will have constant melancholy because just melancholy is like, okay, where's this thing coming from? Of course, you know that it's over here, but that's not a good design for the reader. No, so I think how can we pass melancholy over here? Let me see the else. I'm starting to think that there should be a welcome screen in which you choose your hero. In this case, there will be only one, melancholy. But you know, if you mm, play these video games like Metal's Look, you have your heroes, your characters at the beginning, and you choose one from there. So perhaps, maybe in the future, we need to provide this welcome screen. And I need to refine my CSS knowledge because that will require a little bit of that. Probably we should put melancholy on CWs and send melancholy over here. Level of start we go, we see the reviews. We started with melancholy. Well, where is the start? Let's start. Mhm. Let's melancholy equals new melancholy type of melancholy. It's an object, but which is right. But how did you know prototype? It's not a good thing to use a prototype. Mhm. Okay, type of sys object. We have is prototype. No, I remember in this way will become true. Or it's object here man it should be true, but we don't have prototype change. No, what's happening over here? We have one view and 19 seconds. Someone was here. Mm. JavaScript also doesn't have tuples. Checking for object type. Come on, this is easy. These are like the primitive types. Yeah, okay, now we get it. Type of it only returns the primitive types. Any other object. Look at this, 2011. Mm, 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 mm. Disappointing. Okay, do they have instance of? Yes, like Java. This class symbol is new, I suppose. No, Anton. We just did this. Yeah, we just did this. There's my line calling. I have lots to revisit with JavaScript because the other day I was struggling with promises, and now I need to process JSON too. I have this idea of how to study that topic in a real scenario. Oh, I have lots of things to revisit with JavaScript. Okay. By the way, this is not a circle. Oh, it resides with the screen, which is not good. Look at this, not good. I like it. But then again, this will be played, on the mobile devices. Look at this. This is wrong. We are able to paint this a bit. Stop. Mm, okay, start color. Okay, and it's still blurry even when it is small. So this is not uh, the measures are not the problem. Mm. Why it looks too pale? Mm. Mm, 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 mm. got I got melancholy on the screen. Okay, that's melancholy. It's on the screen. With that, we have the problem. This thing becoming resizing. It's not a circle. I need to test this on an actual device because I am not quite sure if this is the behavior we will get on cell phone. So I'm going to plot this to some besides why do it look like this? Really? Yeah. This will be a lot of work. We will need the index. We will need all of this, and we will need the CSS. I recently changed my password. I have, I did have trouble. I have had, I had trouble in the morning. Well, these past days, logging into math exchange, but I remember the password. But in here, I just changed it from days ago. Yeah, trying to connect to the internet. Should be ready. Now, I need to use some buckets. Uh, and I already have this. This is base 64. I will load as I do have an index. Yeah. Probably will. Oh my god. Because I'm doing lots of testing. Mm, yeah, I can't get rid of this because this is like a live demo version of my TikTok, my implementation of tic-tac-toe. So people are gone. This URL is live in the document. So no, it's not on the document. This is reference from the Gumroad where you can support me. I will need to change the name of probably momentarily. No, let's create a copy of this. Copy, paste. Let's call it indexy. Indexy. Just because we need to test testing. And this is what the creators are asking about cloud experience. What's that? You clicking some buttons, making API call. But still, I'm not getting any new opportunity this to use, which is I don't know. Perhaps they require experts on cloud technologies. Well, again, here's our file. If you feel like writing code, you can download the console of Oracle Cloud and run it with an API request. Okay, index is like now we need CS subplot CS. We should be able to visit this website. Okay, but we need to load the scripts. If you take a look, you see, we need to fix this. If it looks good on the mobile, I will be okay with that. I'm not researching for screen size resizing, you know. Mm. Okay, GS. Very quick. Okay, we have we have our thing live. Hopefully, no one will find this URL because it's like weird URL. But this is live. Now I'm going to visit this website with this with my phone. I already show you some emails. What's okay? We will get to see my emails again. See the refs. No, I will save because I don't want to actually send that email. And I will open this draft over here. And let us copy. This is how it looks in the on the cell phone. You see that? Oh, and designing mobile first is like very challenging. Also, even the representation that we are getting on. I wanted to see if this representation we can uh, we can leave Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Thank you very much, Oracle. They are very generous with their resources for the free in the free tier for people like me that doesn't have any money. Uh, yeah, I was doubtful, like saying to me like maybe this is not like the representation that we are going to get on the cell phone, but it is. Look at the screen. Now you can see. Well, look at this. The melancholy side. We will need to resize this thing. I wanted to avoid that. Look at this. That's on the cell phone. Okay, and this is on the screen, and this responsive kind of support from Edge from Microsoft. So it's accurate in a good way. And besides, this is good because now when we start to test for the touch events, certainly we will want to test on this device. I'm not reading my email. Sorry. Should be writing some microservices for a given company, instead of tackling the most challenging area of computer science, which is video games. But now it's kind of easy because you have game engine. You don't have to do everything on your own. But for this game, we decided to do it. No more complaining on my side because you will get tired of this. Okay, so we need. I wanted to avoid that, but we need to find a way for this thing to not resize when on a small screen. Here is good. but here's not good. Take another look. Oh, but I stopped. You know the internet on the phone. So also this button is like very small. Oh, my guitar! I need to move my guitar. The other one, sorry. We'll roll back in 5 minutes. Um, wait, where? I'll be right back in 5 minutes. I'm back. I think I will take a walk within some hour. Yeah, six. No, six. It's, yeah, yeah. This is very late if you ask me. So six. Yeah. Then perhaps I will come back with this. I'm not sure. As you can see, I'm very slow. I think I don't know. Element is resizing on a small screen. No, I just want to try this angle bisector concept. So let's worry about this in at the end. Mm, what is this? Mm, there's a lot of. I think my problem is wanting to do too many things in a very short amount of time. Okay, I will explain to you my idea with this. Uh, okay, so I want just 1 minute ago I was thinking to, oh my god, drawing something like this. Which is the angle of in which melancholy will shoot. Then calculating the bisector angle of these angles. Melancholy will, oh my god, will shoot in this direction. Alright. Okay, so I wanted to draw this line, but they will be like they will be like they will be blocking the space. It will be nonsense. So still, the player needs a game, needs a way to see the direction of the shooting direction. So what I'm going to do is, oh my god, what I'm going to do is, sorry for this. I mean, this is life, don't expect something like this. No, this is too much. This, so the user will know where this thing is located. So he will locate itself, rotate this device to change the shooting direction. This is like a lot of work, and I am very slow, so I'm not sure where this thing is going to hit the production on my website. But yeah, this is, and then there will be another little spaceships trying to shoot our guy. And he needs to be able to move. to evade shootings. If some of these hits melancholy that is over, and if this melancholy hits some other spaceship and kills like 10, maybe 20, I don't know, sure. Then the level is over and melancholy advance progress to the next level. But that will be the end of the game. It will be saluted with coming soon or demo or please invest some money, give me some funding, something like that. This is like the basic stuff, but it's a lot of work. And now our next step is drawing this and knowing the angle between this. What, how can we represent this so we'll be able. So after that, we need to be able to find its angle bisector and the. And I want to study mathematics right now. Now that I'm thinking on geometry, I wish I can. I just have a 9 to 5 job and then forget about it and study some books. I should live my life that way and engage from too much drinking in the past. That's okay. That's in the past. Now I don't drink anymore and I don't waste too much time. Um, okay, this is a concept. I will save this. So our next step is representing this angle. Remember, well, I don't know. We have this. How can we draw a line from this point up until this point? This might be a problem, right? Because this will rotate. I'm thinking of calling this endpoint. What's this? Okay, this is like 3 hours ago. We spent 40 minutes in at the beginning, and now I am longing for those 40 minutes. Don't waste your time. Um, see, okay, so how we can draw those? lines. John, wait, one, one, go, 1.2. Now, how can we calculate this? Hmm. How can place this thing? When it's on how do you call that, field mathematics, algebra with geometry, analytic geometry, because we need to come up with a point on us on this circle, on the circle which which has this, which is um, this is a circle one, okay, defined by this radius and the coordinate. Then we scale this circle by this factor. Then we are, so this circle is 12. This radius is 12. I haven't done any Blender this week until Saturday, which is sad because that's my hobby. And, 12 and a half. Yeah, because we are fourth. Yeah, we are incrementing by a fourth. How it looks like. Let's do time. Didn't like it. We moved. Oh no. We changed something. I'm going to get bleed his. When we have the problem, we still have the problem. Here is not the point. We changed something when we 24. Okay, we changed. Oh my! We moved the we refactored. Well, we are not sending this object. Oh my god! What's happening with the zero five? Oh my! We can close this. Is yeah. I'm not seeing any change. Reduce to where is it? Seeing the other one. So I need to understand what's going on in here. Let's do 50%. Awesome. Radius 2 factor, radius 2 is equal to this, radius 1 times this factor. This should be 10. Mm-hmm. 50. Oh, yeah. 50. Uh, because we are only 50%. Okay, we will need to print this because or at least inspect here. We have here over here. Mm, 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 Man, I saw that this radio one is 10. This radio is 25. Oh, okay, we were missing this. Can't believe it. Okay, we are back on track. 15. Okay. And we need to tell the device, shooting device. How can we calculate this? Lots of math involved in game development. We need a way to. We have a circle. This circle, its radius. Radius. We got our answer. Radius. This device. We need to draw lines equals to radius 2. Right? But we need to choose points of on this circle. Uh, yeah, we need to choose points on this circle. You can, so we can draw the radius too, one line and one line. Let's say another colors are available. We use Dodger blue, probably violet. How can I? How can we come up with the points on the circle? We need to take a look at Canvas again. Every Where is it? Searching if there is some. We only have line 2. We only have line 2. But how do we? Probably, how do I choose this point on this circle? I know this is radius 2. Wow, this thing is very like they're stealing here. This is not updated in the new content. So I'm not sure if you're see anything on what I say. I wish I am more not too slow. These are like easy. I mean, we can come up with an equation describing the circle, but if we are randomly choosing points and test for this equation, it will be too slow, you know? What? Okay, we need the move to method because take a look at this. This, um, violet. Into 5150, which is Van Halen's. Index. You see, let's use another values. Okay, so the point is here. Look, uh, look. Now, since the path ended in this part, the line will be over here from this point up to this point. See, I'm not sure why the lines why is it our drawings looks this way so blurry. Every no, I didn't like. I need to see what's this. What's this because the other one changed the color of our circle. We don't want that. Oh, okay, now we have our, our this beam, laser beam. But it is will be hard because how can you draw too many bullets, miss it, going in some direction? I didn't think throughout when I decided to implement this idea. But it's okay. We are tackling lots of topics in JavaScript. Well, not JavaScript. We're getting to know the canvas um, element, some mathematics, some ideas. It's great. A learning experience, but it's like a lot of work. Now we need to see that you know why is so blurry. Um, why is changing the color over here? And why the line is dashed? We need the line to be at this point. How can we do that? 3 days a week I go with my mother to the hospital, and I don't have like too much time to implement this, and that's okay. I mean, they they took care about us when we were a child, so it's fair and just to, try to pay some of the. It's the only thing we have. In my case, it's time. How can we review? With a radius, we will use some logic. We have two books on logic over here, and let's apply the reasoning. If a radio, if this lines in if this line's length will be equals to radius 2, we need to find that length. Um, I think we used my notebook. Oh, save it by the bell. Yeah, what are my pens? Bro, let me explain and leave it. Never sleep with this. And since I'm going to take a walk, I will be thinking of this on the road. I'm walking, which is not a good idea, but where are you? Okay, here is the camera and my notebook. Just let me see this. I go. Okay, this is the plane, and there are infinite many circles you can draw on the plane. Okay, I learned that from geometry. Thank God I learned geometry. I need to continue with all the math books. And if we have any line with length x, or what have you, and you have a starting point, let's use y. Uh, is this kind of a vector problem in which we have this being a vector and we have some starting point. Now, math are very useful. If someone in the school say to you, you don't need math, oh my God, that's the biggest lie you will have heard on school. It seems like a vector problem in which to the zero vector, you will be adding the x vector on any given direction that you want. But how do you do that? How do you represent that? The length is L, and you have x, y. Let's suppose this is 5. This. Mm, and you have a zero vector. Let's suppose. We have a starting point. At least those four directions. We can draw a line in those four directions: up, left, right, and down by subtracting the length or adding the length to only one coordinate. We can choose that randomly, and but the angle will be always 90 degrees, right angle between those lines. Uh, People will be able to see that fact. Okay. Well, they will be able because we will be drawing that line. Oh, we have several issues here because we need to for this to not change the color.
Play.
What's that? Well, okay, 12. I don't think I heard it. Yeah, I need to take it. Oh my God, 10 minutes already. Yeah, we have a starting point. We need to fix the issue of the colors. Um, Choosing a point, generating a point, or coming up with this set of points on this circle, draw two lines, and then start programming the events, touch events, and start drawing the missile bullet, the request in the animation. You know, we have a map of the tasks that we need to do, and we just need time, and time is what we don't have because I want to tackle too many things and just surviving from taking my work. I will be logic, math, but I will take some extra point inside. No, how do you prioritize stuff? Thank you very much for being here with me almost 4 hours with almost nothing accomplished. My bad. Sorry. We will. I mean, this is not like programming. This is real time. You know, I am designing a game in real time and coming up with the whole ideas, entire set of ideas. I mean, this is. I don't know. This is happening in real time. I don't have a set of tasks, which probably that was the first thing to do in the first hour, making the map uh, of the task, the roadmap of the task, and then implementing those will be easier than this approach. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Getting dark in here. Bye. Thank you.